In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best touchscreen oscilloscopes available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the touchscreen oscilloscopes list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the touchscreen oscilloscopes mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, BSIDE BS3 Touch Oscilloscope. The BSIDE BS3 touchscreen oscilloscope combines a 50 MHz dual-channel bandwidth with a 250 MSA/s sampling rate for precise signal analysis. Its 3.98-inch LCD touchscreen makes operation intuitive and efficient. Built-in signal generator functionality enhances versatility for testing and diagnostics. Compact, durable, and easy to carry, it's an excellent tool for engineers, hobbyists, and field technicians seeking accuracy in a portable device. Number 4, DSCope DSTouch DS4T252 Oscilloscope. The DSCope DSTouch DS4T252 offers professional-grade performance with dual channels, up to 200 MHz bandwidth, and 1 GSA/s sampling rate. Its 4.3-inch responsive touchscreen provides smooth navigation and clear waveform visualization. Powered by FPGA drum architecture, it ensures fast signal processing. Ideal for both lab and field use, this handheld oscilloscope delivers high reliability and precision for engineers working on electronic circuit analysis and debugging. Number 3, 2C53P3 in 1 Touch Oscilloscope. The 2C53P touchscreen digital oscilloscope combines 3 tools in one: oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. With dual-channel 50 MHz bandwidth and auto-measurement functions, it provides fast and accurate signal readings. Its bright display and user-friendly interface simplify real-time testing. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this versatile device is compact yet powerful enough for electronics troubleshooting, component testing, and signal waveform observation. Number 2, FNIRSI 2C53P3 in 1 Touch Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 2C53P touchscreen portable oscilloscope is a multifunctional testing solution featuring a 50 MHz dual-channel bandwidth, 250 ms/s sampling rate, and built-in multimeter and signal generator. Its vivid touchscreen enhances usability, while 19,999 count precision ensures accuracy. Designed for portability, it fits perfectly in a toolkit for on-site or lab use. Whether you're analyzing circuits or measuring voltage, this all-in-one device delivers reliable performance every time. Number 1, SDS802X804X HD 4-channel oscilloscope. The SDS802X804X HD oscilloscope features a 7-inch touch display, 12-bit resolution, and up to 70 MHz bandwidth across 4 channels for detailed signal analysis. With a fast 80,000 WFS/s waveform capture rate, it ensures smooth, real-time observation of complex waveforms. Built for professionals, it offers advanced triggering options and high stability. Perfect for electronic design, repair, and academic research, this oscilloscope brings power and precision to your test bench.